Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to play Flash games on your PC. First thing to do is to open your browser, then search for Flashpoint Infinity. Then click on enter and choose this option right here, the first option you get. And here you can find that we have two types. Just click on download installer, then click on download, wait till it finishes. After downloading, all you have to do is to set up the program by pressing double click on it. Then here you should choose the place that you want to save the file in. Choose the place, then click on select folder, and you can also uncheck these things here if you don't want the desktop shortcut or the start menu shortcut. I'm gonna uncheck them, then install Flashpoint. Click on this button right here. And this will take a couple of minutes, and this depends on your PC performance and your internet. After installation is complete, this message will pop up. All you have to do is to click on close and check this option right here if you want to launch the Flashpoint, or you can uncheck it, then go to the place that you have saved the program on. And now I'm showing you how to open the Flashpoint or the Flash games. Open the launcher, then go to this icon right here and make sure that the type of this icon or the type of this file is application. Then double click on it and it will open with you. It's now loading. Then after opening, you can choose any one of these things, but I will choose disable all. And now you can play any game you want. And here you can see this option right here, looking for something to play, view all games. Just click on all games. And here you can see all the games that you can play. I'm going to choose any one of these things. I'm going to choose this one, for example. Then after clicking on it, you can download it and play. And some games you may have to download them, and others you can have them on your PC. For example, this game, I can play it right now. So I'm going to click on play and it will open the launcher. As you can see, it's loading. Then you can play the game as you want. That was all for today. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.